Uh, Good evening, friends. This is Sanjay Agarwal. So I'm joined with Dr. Pervez,
Dr. Salika Parvez.
Dr. Sarita Pervez. Yeah. So it's over to her. She's telling me that what has she made here? This is from the debris, and then she's added henna. The
Yeah.
people, the ladies are using in mehendi, and in the men are using in hair dye now.
Yeah, henna.
So
On hand,
on hand, but it's a
but
cooling. It's supposed to be giving you. So it's over to Dr. Sarita.
yeah.
You can introduce yourself.
Yeah. Hello, my name is Dr. Salika Parvez and I am from Aligarh Muslim University. I have just completed my research from Aligarh Muslim University, and I prefer to work on emerging issues, that's on culture, that's on ecology, especially I am very fascinated towards trash, because trash is one of the biggest threats to the economy these days.
The
And
world,
yeah,
global threat.
yeah, these days even all artists in the world are working to protect the environment through their artwork. So from India, I am doing the same. I just I take some pebbles and like this these in this place, everything is showing here. I collected it from my surrounding. These are nothing, just pebbles.
Yes.
This is just a building discarded material, so which I collected and I assembled. And because I'm an animal lover, so I made this horse from the trash. And I turned that building discard into some artistic way.
आपने henna क्यों use कर रहा है इसमें? Why did you use?
No, in this
Not this one. This one.
yeah, this one. The texture is also made from POP, sand, and with some glue. So I just experimented all the time with trash. I just want to people aware. I just want to spread the awareness of human values through trash artwork.
Wonderful. I think जो what she is doing it, मुझे लगा कि she is cleaning up the mess in our surroundings. But
I
इनको
just give the message.
नहीं नहीं, it's lovely, it's so beautiful, and I'm just jokingly saying कि इनको इतना कूड़ा करकट नहीं मिला कि ये पूरा घोड़ा बना सकती थी, तो उन्होंने सिर्फ घोड़े की मेन हेड बनाया है. सो ब्यूटीफुल.
Actually, pebbles,
Shortage.
yeah, pebbles shortage, and plus ये फिर उसकी जो कहते हैं खूबसूरती छोटे से डेलिकेट वर्क में नहीं आ पाती है.
Yes,
और
we
स्पेशली
agree with
दीज,
you,
हाँ,
yes.
सो दीज ये रॉ मटेरियल से जब तक आप बिग वर्क नहीं बनाएंगे तब तक उसकी खूबसूरती नहीं दिखेगी.
नहीं,
So
देखिए
I
आप
made it
उधर,
this way.
और आप उधर देखिएगा.
Yeah.
एंड ये जो वर्क है, आपको कितना समय लगा इसको बनाने में?
It takes 1 month, but it takes at least 1 month. But daily I take 8 hours a day.
So she's such a beautiful soul.
Thank you so
I have been to some place, and रात में
Yeah.
I told my friend कि I'm say homesick, so we are going back.
Okay.
So we drove through Aligarh Muslim University रात को
Okay.
2 बजे.
Okay.
And मतलब I have lucky कि आपसे मुलाकात हो गई है.
Thank you so much.
And research में what do you do in research?
My research topic was also on trash. The topic was relevance of junk art at global perspective.
I've never seen. I've been means the last 7 years actively meeting all the artists in different exhibitions in Delhi, Bombay, even outside Delhi, and मैंने इस type का कभी नहीं देखा. So this is beautiful. Do you have a prize for this?
Yeah, it's no, its price is 95K, and these are also these are 10K, मतलब 10K, 10,000 per piece, which I am selling.
इसका
yeah.
तो समझने नहीं आया था मुझे मेहंदी.
Actually, this was once a trash plank, which I converted it into tray, and then I used real henna on that plank and made this landscape
This won't perish. The henna will stay.
through use of through use.
Dry करके वो
Yeah,
खराब
yeah.
नहीं
I
होगा.
just experimented with junk material. So I call myself as an experimentalist and junk art
Even
artist.
it's so good to see here the work displayed, and I think आपका unique work है IAF में.
Yeah.
और आपका पहले शो
No, no, sir. This is my first attempt here. Inshallah, I will in next time I will be here in more events.
I
in more
think
upcoming events.
हम लोग आपसे खुदा हाफिज करके इधर से
And
विदा लेते हैं.
first, and lastly, I would like to say my father is here and
So
he
you
is
will
my
let me
yeah.
join? Please join.
No, my father is here and
मैं
he
तो
is
चाह
my.
रहा हूँ कि वो join
No,
कर
please,
ले.
Baba. My
आइए ना
father,
सर.
my father is here and we.
आपको बहुत बहुत मतलब सलाम.
Thank you. Thank you.
एंड आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए सर.
I'm Parvez Kamal Rizvi. Had been working in Aligarh Muslim University as professor in the Department of Plant Protection. My daughter is here, who has just completed her PhD from the same university where I have served. I'm very happy that she has taken a very important issue of regarding how to recycle the trash in the form of artistic act. So some work what she has done has displayed over here, and people are appreciating her work. I do appreciate that she has taken a very relevant topic and has chosen a very right thing in the light of days of pollution and days of the problems faced by people regarding the junk material and trash. These trash can be used for in many ways, where some of the artwork can be translated by trash, and she has whatever she has done. It is also a good feeling for the visitors who have seen it that the trash in what way can be converted into artistic act. So I am here to witness her work. Also today I visited this place and also saw many of the work of the artists. I congratulate all the artists who have done excellent work in their fields. I wish all the success for each and every artist who have participated in this mega event. Thank you very much.
I think Dr. Rizvi has put it very rightly and aptly. And I was so grateful then when you thanked all the artists, because we have to be, everybody is making his or her contribution. And I just wanted to add, I cover various ministries, the Government of India. I cover about 21 as a beat reporter. So this is like, I was just thinking which minister. So after our Prime Minister's vision, we have the Minister for Road Transport and Highways, Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, because he is experimenting. We have been on a lot of site visits with him. So the roads which were earlier made of charcoal, so usko wo log abhi slag, steel slag, and there's a lot of waste material. तो ये आपकी कीमत है इसकी, लेकिन कभी आपकी इच्छा हो और हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे that if you can have a tea with the minister, Honorable Minister Gadkari ji, because this is something which is a very valuable piece. And ये नहीं है कि वो मंत्री के घर में लगे. It's not that, but it's about your concept, the idea which is coming. It's so beautiful. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
आप ले लेंगे.